Whenever I start thinking about a new piece, my mind starts racing. Ideas, doubts, expectations, all as a mix. You keep asking yourself if you're ready for it, if you're capable of doing this. And when you finally see it, that's when it hits you. How big this is going to be. And this is day one. We are going to paint this huge building. I'll try to climb this up. It's quite scary up here. We are trying to project the artwork on the wall, and this is quite challenging when you climb up during the night and trying to figure out the right lines, because it's very difficult to get it right at the first go. It's all about getting the proportions right and getting the drawing perfect. So finally, day 2 has begun. It's crazy sunlight and we have to work under these conditions. This building is like 54 feet high. That's the only challenging part, where you have to climb up this whole scaffolding. Trying to take all the safety measures so that I don't fall. Even if I fall, this will help me hang somewhere in between, so there won't be any accident. So it's day 3. We had to make a stop to buy some paints. I think from now onwards it's going to be more about planning this entire thing. And there will be definitely a lot of challenges along this way. And I think we are ready for it. So it's day 4 and we have already completed like 50% of the whole artwork. You can see like we are doing some corrections on the background, and today the main focus is going to be huge life-size portrait of Virat Kohli, and we are starting from the top, from the face, and we'll go down towards the jersey. I have some other team members who are making those corrections, making it look perfect. I've already started working on the face. That's something which will take time because it needs a lot of precision. So it is day 5. It's been 4 days continuously. We have been working on this big wall mural. Everyone in our team is like very strong-headed with very strong willpower. They don't have any fear of climbing up to the heights and painting at the same time. And they have a will to learn something new. That's something which is very rare to find with the people that you're working with. So it's sunset time, we are losing the light. Today it's been all about making those corrections in terms of the right colors. Yesterday we couldn't like work for a very long time because there was no other light source. And we had to struggle. We were not able to get the right colors on the wall. But today I think I had to redraw a lot of shapes on this artwork. We had to make those corrections. We are just trying to come up with the right color palette and making sure that everything looks perfect. It's day 7. It's almost been a week now. We are very close to our deadline. We plan on finishing it off in like 10 days. And it's already been 7 days now. There are a lot of changes are being done in terms of the right color palette. You see a lot of mistakes and you have to make those changes because when you are close to the wall working on it, it's not very clear to understand what exactly it looks like from a distance. It was a good day. The wall is now completely filled with colors. There are a few empty spaces which we will work on. We are still like trying to experiment with other colors. It's been a great day, and that's all for today. See you tomorrow. So it's the last day on this first mural project that we have been working on for past 1 week.
मेरा नाम है अभिषेक बंसल और मैं यहीं भोपाल से बिलोंग करता हूँ। जब मैं आया यहाँ फर्स्ट टाइम तो मैंने सोचा कि मैं करूँ या ना करूँ, मेरे मन में बहुत सवाल थे, लेकिन फिर मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस जो है भैया ने बढ़ाया कुछ कि मैं आपका सपोर्ट करूँगा, मैं आपको समझाऊँगा, गाइड करूँगा। मैं अपनी टीम के साथ मिलके, भैया के साथ मिलके इतना अच्छा काम कर पाऊँगा, लेकिन कर दिया। भरोसा अभी भी नहीं है खुद पर कि कैसे किया। इतने रिस्क वाले काम काफ़ी बार किए हैं, लेकिन आर्ट वर्क मैंने पहली बार फर्स्ट टाइम किया है। ये काम को करने में बहुत मज़ा आया क्योंकि इसमें मैंने बहुत कुछ नया कुछ सीखा। जैसे नया आर्ट वर्क मेरे लिए बहुत कठिन था, लेकिन भैया के साथ मिलके जो करने में मैंने इसको सीखा भी और साथ में किया भी और मज़ा बहुत आया। और आप देख ही रहे हैं कि अभी काम कंप्लीट पे ही है। आज हमारा लास्ट डे है। टचिंग का काम जो भी बचा है आज कंप्लीट हो जाएगा और बाकी बहुत मज़ा आया काम करने में।
Say hi. And that was Abhishek, who was talking about his experience. More than being an artist, I was looking for people who were willing to learn and also who were excited about this large-scale painting of Virat Kohli. And when I met Abhishek, he was very keen to know the process, and I think Abhishek के साथ जो और भी टीम मेंबर्स थे उनको भी काफ़ी कुछ सीखने मिला. Basically his younger brother of Abhishek. डर क्यों नहीं लगता यार तुम्हें चढ़ने?
डर नहीं लगता,
डर नहीं लगता,
बचपन से ही डर नहीं लगता।
कभी गिरे विरे हो?
नहीं, आज तक नहीं गिरा।
और कैसा लग रहा है? लाइक अभी आज आपका दूसरा दिन है, कैसा लग रहा है आपको पेंट करने में?
अच्छा लग रहा है, मजा आ रहा है काम करने।
मजा आ रहा है?
पहली बार ही करा है ऐसा काम, लेकिन अच्छा लग रहा है।
अच्छा लग रहा है?
ऐसा लग रहा है आसान है ज़्यादा।
आसान है?
मेरा नाम कमलेश जी है। भाई के साथ में इस मेज़ का काम कर रहा हूँ। जो भी हेल्प होती है मैं साथ में कर रहा हूँ बराबर। बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है काम करने में।
इसके बाद आई थिंक इन लोगों के लिए भी काफ़ी इजी होगा प्रोसेस, बिकॉज ये पूरे प्रोसेस में हमें काफ़ी सारे चैलेंजेस फेस करने पड़े. फॉर मी ऑल्सो दिस वॉज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम डूइंग सच अ लार्ज स्केल म्यूरल. The first challenge was to like get the drawing right, get the proportions right on this huge building. Other than that, the colors that we were putting on were not looking exactly the way we wanted. So we had to redo the areas over and over again until we felt content about it. And the team that I've been working with, I think they're super amazing. They don't have any fear of climbing up to the heights. They are very much ready to do anything, from getting the paints on the top, from cleaning all the brushes. So this process is not just about painting, it's more about that will to keep it going. And I think I'm overall pretty much satisfied with the work that we have done on this wall. And we are prepping for the next wall on the other side of this building. So we'll be starting that soon, in a couple of days. And I hope that's going to be easier than this one. And this is how it looks.